Hi guys, Jesse here from Detailers Movement, and in today's video we're going to be discussing our newest product available on the market, CCC PPF. Now we've spent many years developing this product and we've come up with something we believe is absolutely amazing. Our product is 7.5mm thick. It of course resists all those unwanted rock chips to keep your paint protected. Its hydrophobic features are amazing. They will make sure all of that unwanted rainwater, the dirt and debris and other environmental elements that could otherwise adhere to your paint will be gone. Today we've got this beautiful Porsche Macan in that's going to get the full royal treatment. The vehicle till now has already been washed, it's been fully decontaminated and polished, and is at the stage where it's getting its beautiful paint protection film applied. To this point we've got the bonnet already applied, we've got the side of the car already done, and when it is finished the vehicle will be protected for 5 years. So that's super important, guys. It's really the top end of protection in the car care industry. There aren't many things out on the market that can actually protect your paint, but paint protection film can. So now that we understand its benefits and what it's for, we're going to let the staff finish off this vehicle and get back to you when it's all done. Looking forward to seeing the finished product. Stick around. And we're back, guys, and as you can see, this Porsche is no longer blue, it's now black. Why? Because as you may have imagined, our CCC PPF range is so impressive that when the customer arrived to pick up his blue Porsche, he was so happy with the way it had ended up that he went straight home and brought us his black one. So where are we at with this car? Well, as you know, it's been through the full process. It's been washed, decontaminated, it's been fully 3-stage polished, and now it's being wrapped with the CCC paint protection film. Now, the CCC paint protection film is going to give incredible gloss, incredible shine, and of course the hydrophobic feature that we're all wanting. That's going to keep all of the acidic rainwater and of course all of the debris that you get in your normal everyday driving off the paint. So without further ado, we're going to let the boys finish up this vehicle and we're going to apply some extremely important paint protection film coating, which is supplied by IGL and it's called Shield. Now, that's really important, guys. You know the paint protection film is the top end of protection for the car. But what's protection for the paint protection film? Well, like I mentioned, IGL Shield. That's going to be applied, and when that's finished, we're going to be back to show you how amazing the result is. Looking forward to seeing you then. Okay, so we've finally arrived at that time where the vehicle is getting its final preparation done. The vehicle has been fully protected with CCC's paint protection film and is now receiving the IGL Shield. As mentioned earlier, IGL Shield is going to protect the paint protection film. So, assessing all of that, the vehicle now has scratch and rock chip resistance. It has hydrophobic features, which will eliminate all of that unwanted debris and unwanted environmental wear and tear that lands on your paint. With its hydrophobic features, it will simply roll right off. And of course, more importantly, it's going to have that deep, rich, luxurious shine, which is what you're aiming for in your brand new vehicle's look. So now that we understand everything that's been done to the vehicle, we understand how it's been protected. If there's any more questions or queries that you guys may have, check out the description link to our Facebook group where you can chat with thousands more detailers like yourself, or you can chat with myself and our crew, which are available, of course, in the Facebook group. I hope the information in today's video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much for your time.